Hello, today I'm making roast chicken and potatoes. Welcome back to How to Cook It. I have a chicken, 1 kg, and it's 2.2 pounds. I've cut it in half. So we have paprika, we have thyme, now we're gonna put it in. Salt and pepper. Now we're gonna put it in also. My spices are 2 teaspoons each. Now I will add 100 ml of oil. Now we're gonna give it a mix. Now I put this in my oven dish. Now I've got potatoes and I peeled them. Now I'll put 4 onions whole. Now I've got 2 whole garlics. Now I have 2 whole tomatoes. Now I put a knife in my tomato so it doesn't explode. Hot oven 220. 30 minutes. That's delicious. Now we're gonna put everything out and put it on a plate. Now we have the tin with the oil to have our gravy. These are the 2 tomatoes I mashed up. 215 ml of chicken stock. This is the roast garlic. Now we'll put the heat on for 4 or 5 minutes. My dad will do this for me. Now my dad will add some mustard and cook for 2 minutes. Now we're gonna put it through a sieve and keep the gravy. Now we're gonna pour our gravy on the chicken. That's it, my easy chicken dinner. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.